This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the connectivity AirDrop relies on. Open Control Center and turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Once done, tap AirDrop and choose Contacts Only or Everyone depending on the recipient. Contacts Only is safer. Everyone reduces friction. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and the screen stays on during transfer. Also disable Personal Hotspot because it blocks AirDrop. These steps prepare both devices to discover each other quickly. You then locate the file, whether in Photos, Files, or another app, and tap the Share icon. In the Share sheet, you'll see an AirDrop row showing nearby devices. Choose the recipient's device name. If you don't see them, move closer, make sure their device screen is awake, and briefly switch your AirDrop setting to Everyone if appropriate. The phone uses Bluetooth to negotiate and Wi-Fi to move the data, so once the handshake completes, you'll see a progress indicator. Stay patient until it finishes. Finally, the recipient will get an accept prompt. They must tap accept to start the transfer. Once accepted, the file automatically opens in the correct app. Photos for images, files for documents, so verify it opened and isn't corrupted. If the transfer stalls or fails, toggle AirDrop off and on, reboot both devices, or temporarily use the Everyone setting. As a fallback, you can send via Messages, Mail, or iCloud Drive if Bluetooth/Wi-Fi pairing continues to fail. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.